The Amazon rainforest, a vast sprawling wilderness that stretches as far as the eye can see. It is a place of immense natural beauty and unparalleled biodiversity. It is located in South America, covering much of the Amazon basin, which spans across 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela. This incredible ecosystem spans over 2 million square miles, making it the largest tropical rainforest in the world. To put that into perspective, that's about half the size of the entire United States. Imagine a forest so vast it could cover half of a continent. The Amazon is not just the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, but also one of the most vital ecosystems for our planet's health. Its sheer size is almost unimaginable from the ground. From above, it looks like an endless sea of green, stretching out to the horizon. The rainforest is a place of incredible beauty and mystery, home to countless species of plants and animals, many of which are still undiscovered. It is teeming with life in all its forms, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The Amazon is a vibrant tapestry of life. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest, flows through its heart, providing water and nutrients to this lush ecosystem. This mighty river carries more water than any other river in the world, and its powerful currents shape the landscape around it. It is home to a staggering diversity of fish and aquatic creatures, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon is a place of wonder, a vital part of our planet. Its dense forests and winding rivers are crucial for maintaining global biodiversity and climate stability. It is a treasure trove of biodiversity, essential for life as we know it. Protecting the Amazon is not just about preserving a forest, but about safeguarding the future of our planet. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot, teeming with life in every corner. Stretching across 9 countries, it covers over 5.5 million square kilometers. It is home to 10% of the world's known species, including countless insects, birds, mammals, and reptiles. This incredible variety makes it one of the most vital ecosystems on the planet. Scientists believe there are still countless species yet to be discovered within its depths. Every expedition into the heart of the Amazon reveals new wonders and adds to our understanding of this complex web of life. The rainforest is a riot of color and sound, with vibrant hues and a cacophony of calls creating an ever-present symphony. Vividly colored macaws and parrots flit through the canopy, their bright feathers a stark contrast against the lush green backdrop. Howler monkeys call out across the treetops, their deep resonant voices echoing through the forest, marking their territory and communicating with their troop. Jaguars prowl the forest floor, elusive and powerful. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. The plant life is just as diverse, with thousands of species of trees, plants and fungi, each playing a unique role in the forest's health and stability. Towering trees form a dense canopy, blocking out the sun and creating a unique microclimate below. Below, a world of ferns, orchids and bromeliads thrives in the humid air, each plant adapted to the low-light conditions. Many of these plants have medicinal properties used for centuries by indigenous peoples to treat a variety of ailments. Some are used by indigenous communities for food and shelter, showcasing the deep connection between the forest and its inhabitants. The Amazon's biodiversity is a testament to the power of nature, a vibrant tapestry of life that has evolved over millions of years. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things, where every species, no matter how small, plays a part in the grand design of the ecosystem. The Amazon plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. It acts like a giant carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. The rainforest also releases enormous amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere. It is often called the lungs of the planet. This oxygen is essential for all life on Earth. The Amazon's role in the water cycle is equally important. The rainforest's trees release water vapor into the atmosphere, which contributes to rainfall patterns across the globe. This process helps to maintain the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. The Amazon is a vital part of the Earth's life support system. Its preservation is crucial for our own well-being and the health of the planet. The Amazon rainforest is under threat. Deforestation driven by logging, mining and agriculture is rapidly destroying this precious ecosystem. Every minute, an area the size of several football fields is lost. The consequences of deforestation are dire. It leads to habitat loss, pushing countless species towards extinction. It also disrupts the Amazon's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, exacerbating climate change. Deforestation also has devastating impacts on indigenous communities who call the rainforest home. It threatens their way of life and their cultural heritage. The destruction of the Amazon is a global tragedy. It is a stark reminder of the urgent need for sustainable practices and responsible stewardship of our planet. Section 5. A changing climate. Impacts on the rainforest. Climate change is another major threat to the Amazon rainforest. This vast and vibrant ecosystem, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, is facing unprecedented challenges due to human activities and natural changes. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns are already having a significant impact on this fragile ecosystem. The Amazon's climate is becoming increasingly unpredictable, with some areas experiencing intense rainfall while others suffer prolonged dry spells. These changes are disrupting the delicate balance of the rainforest, making it more vulnerable to droughts, fires, and disease. The once thriving biodiversity is now under constant threat, struggling to cope with the rapid environmental shifts. The Amazon is experiencing more frequent and severe droughts. These droughts not only affect the water supply for countless species, but also weaken the forest's ability to regenerate and sustain itself. These droughts increase the risk of forest fires, which release huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The fires devastate large swathes of forest, leaving behind charred landscapes and contributing to global warming. This further exacerbates climate change, creating a vicious cycle. As more carbon dioxide is released, the planet warms further, leading to even more extreme weather patterns and environmental stress. Climate change is also causing changes in the distribution and behavior of plant and animal species. Many species are finding it difficult to survive in their traditional habitats and are being forced to adapt or move. Some species are struggling to adapt, facing the risk of extinction as their environment becomes increasingly inhospitable, while others are being forced to migrate to new areas. This migration can lead to conflicts with other species and disrupt the ecological balance of the regions they move to. The combined effects of deforestation and climate change pose a serious threat to the long-term survival of the Amazon rainforest. Protecting this vital ecosystem requires urgent and sustained efforts to mitigate climate change and halt deforestation. Section 6. Guardians of the Forest Conservation Efforts. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Amazon. Numerous organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to protect this precious ecosystem. Conservation efforts include establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable forestry practices, and supporting the rights of indigenous communities. Governments, NGOs, and local communities are working together to combat illegal logging and land grabbing. They are also promoting alternative livelihoods for local people that don't rely on deforestation. Scientists are playing a crucial role in monitoring the health of the rainforest and understanding the impacts of climate change. Their research is essential for informing conservation efforts and guiding policy decisions. Section 7. Indigenous peoples, stewards of the Amazon. Indigenous peoples have been living in the Amazon for thousands of years. They have a deep understanding of the rainforest and its delicate balance. Their traditional knowledge and practices are invaluable for conservation efforts. Indigenous communities are on the front lines of the fight to protect the Amazon. They are often the first to witness the impacts of deforestation and climate change. Their voices and perspectives are crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. Supporting the rights of indigenous peoples is essential for protecting the Amazon rainforest. Their traditional knowledge and stewardship are crucial for ensuring the long-term health of this vital ecosystem. Section 8. A global responsibility, our role in conservation. The fate of the Amazon rainforest is not just a regional issue, it is a global concern. We all have a role to play in protecting this vital ecosystem. We can support sustainable practices by making informed choices about the products we buy. We can reduce our carbon footprint by using less energy and transportation. We can also support organizations that are working to protect the Amazon. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Section 9, a future for the Amazon: hope and action. The Amazon rainforest is facing unprecedented challenges, but there is still hope. By working together, we can protect this vital ecosystem for future generations. It is time for collective action. We must demand sustainable practices, reduce our impact on the environment, and support the rights of indigenous peoples. The future of the Amazon, and indeed the planet, depends on it. Let us act now with urgency and determination to ensure that this precious rainforest continues to thrive for generations to come.